Today marks the 51st anniversary of Roe v Wade, which protected a woman's right to have an abortion. As Fox 5's Deidre Dukes reports, nearly 2 years after the Supreme Court's historic decision to overturn the ruling, Democrats here in Georgia have vowed to keep fighting for women's rights.
The U.S. Supreme Court overturned Roe v. Wade in 2022, upending the 1973 landmark decision that ruled women had a constitutional right to an abortion. On the 51st anniversary of Roe v. Wade, state Democratic lawmakers vowed to continue to fight to restore reproductive freedom in Georgia.
Myself and other Senate Democrats will be standing strongly and firmly in support of reproductive freedoms for all Georgians.
In 2019, Governor Brian Kemp signed Georgia's fetal heartbeat abortion bill into law, banning abortion after roughly 6 weeks of pregnancy.
This is about our freedom to decide when, where, and with whom to have a family. I, for one, believe that a woman has a right to make that decision for herself.
House and Senate Democrats want to follow the lead of states across the country in hopes of expanding abortion rights by letting voters decide.
Over the last 2 years, we have persisted, and we have protected our rights to reproductive freedom all over the country. In Michigan, Ohio, and Kansas, we put abortion rights on the ballot and let those who are deprived of their rights have their voices be heard. And we won every time.
SR 136 would allow Georgians to vote on a constitutional amendment to determine what reproductive choice options, including abortion and miscarriage management, should be available to them.
We've seen in states around the country, from red states to blue states, that voters support reproductive freedom. And when given the opportunity to express their views, they come down strongly on the side of allowing those freedoms to exist for women in their state.
At the state capitol, Deidre Dukes, Fox 5 News.